thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, if you clicked it, it's because you wanted to go ahead and see what I did for my bridesmaid proposal boxes. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do want to start a wedding series on my channel, but I also post a lot of beauty, lifestyle, and crafting content, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Thehennaali because I'm always on Instagram, if not here on YouTube, and I've been creating a lot of reels on there as well, especially if you're really into the wedding type of content. I am posting a lot of that on there as well. So go ahead and check me out at Thehennaali on Instagram and TikTok. But if you just want to get straight into what I did for my bridesmaids proposal boxes, let's just get straight into it and keep watching. So before I go ahead and roll the clip of me creating the boxes and showing exactly what I put in them, I want to give a quick disclaimer. I'm in no way saying that this is a budget friendly or affordable box. This is definitely a curated box of just things that I think my bridesmaids or, you know, people that are part of my bridal party will enjoy and love, and some products that I really love as well. Now, you definitely can make affordable bridesmaids boxes. I can also give you guys some suggestions. If you guys would like a video like that, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. But this is definitely just boxes I really curated and really thought of that I really wanted to do for them. So I just wanted to give that quick disclaimer just in case, you know, you guys just wanted to just clarify that. So overall, I did create 4 boxes, 2 of them being one for my matron of honor, bridesmaid, and then the other 2 boxes I made, one for my mom and one for my flower girl. So I'll go ahead and make sure to show all the footage of exactly what boxes I used, where I got them from, and I'll make sure to also show you guys in that footage the items that I put in the box, and I even show you how I placed them in there. So without further ado, let's just get straight into that video because I know that's what you guys want to see. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I have 4 boxes and I got these on Amazon in a 5-pack actually, but I only need 4 as I only have 2, one bridesmaid, matron honor, flower girl, and mom. So that's what we work on with. So that is the size of the box. It's pretty deep, which is why I liked this one, so you can definitely fill it. And it's the magnet closure. This I really want to give things that is not necessarily only for a wedding party. I feel like a lot of times those things get wasted, so I wanted to give things that they could use aside from just the wedding, because that's kind of wasteful. So I like this box. It's really great for storage if they want to use it afterwards, but it's still a really nice size. So let's go ahead and do the decal. So I'm going to do the main one right here, which is the will you be my bridesmaid, will you be my matron of honor. Let's go ahead and put that one on first. The sky is going drip, drop, drip, drop. Love has a V. The dead is piling up, it seems. No guarantee. We'll see if it's meant to be. I beg of you, please not today. The sun's shining. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So you guys can see it's like that rose gold chrome, really pretty. Let's go ahead and do the rest. I just wanna play. I feel it in the ether. You have hazels. And then inside, will you be my bridesmaid? I'm also gonna go ahead and make the boxes so they can sit up straight, but that looks really cute. Okay, so these are the 4 boxes that I need to do. Your mother of the bride, flower girl, bridesmaid, matron honor. Look really nice. Already made the box. Decals are done. Super nice. And yes, I'm doing one for the flower girl in the same box as well. All right, guys, so I am ready to fill the boxes. I have this crinkle cut paper. This is like a 1-pound bag. I got in this light ivory color. I got this on Amazon, I think for $12. I'm not exactly sure. I don't entirely remember, but I will link this below. This is just really great to fill these boxes as I am right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Guys, so these are the candles that I will be putting in the boxes. I got these 2 right here. This is actually my favorite candle brand. I love Forever Mood by Jackiana. It is so good. I only purchased Forever Mood, so I wanted to put these in the boxes. So we have these really amazing cuffing season scent, which I just thought was so perfect for the box. That is what it looks like. It smells so good. So these will be pretty much like the main focus, I would say, of the box. And then this is for the flower girl. Of course, it's not really for her. Her mom will probably end up keeping this, but just to keep in theme with the other boxes. And then this is for my mom. I just thought this was a good one. And this one is actually grown folks business, which I just thought was so fitting to get my mom. So yeah, so these will be one of the main focuses in the boxes. So let's go ahead and put them in the boxes. So this is what it's looking like so far. So let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so I want to kind of like combine and show you guys more stuff so this video is not too long. But I do think I got a little more that I think can actually fit in these boxes. And there are some items in here that some brands did send to me. EcoTools actually sent me these really beautiful rose soaps to put in the bridesmaids boxes, but they're not gonna fit, so I'm thinking I can maybe give them to those on a different occasion. So, but they did send those to me. I also got some other items that were sent, and it was these right here. Cosmetics was so kind to give my bridesmaids and my bridal party these really amazing infinite lip clouds. It's their really popular shade in Magic Hour, which I'm so excited because it's such a beautiful shade. It's gonna go really well with the colors I'm choosing for the wedding. So thank you to Cosmetics for giving these for the bridesmaids and just the bridal party in general. And then Benefit actually sent over 2 items to also include in one of each of the bridesmaids and matron honors box. So thank you to Benefit for sending these as well. I also have ColourPop. They went ahead and sent over these 2 really pretty palettes to include. They have this mocktail palette, and then they also gave this creamsicle eyeshadow palette to also include. So as you guys can kind of see, that is definitely the vibe of the box. And then I do have like makeup bags for them as well. And then some of the other items I'm including is just, you know, an additional thing for the matron of honor. And then for both bridesmaids, I have the little keychain and the matron of honor keychain. So I will be linking everything in the description so you guys can kind of go and see if you wanted to check it out. But I did pick up these from Forever Mood. It's the pure silk headband. I'm not gonna open it just because it's really nicely packaged and I really don't want to mess it up. I did pick up one for myself, but they kind of come really pretty like that. And I thought these would just be a really pretty addition in the box, especially since I have the Forever Mood candles. So I have one for the bridesmaid, the matron of honor, and the mom. And then I have these things from Alex and Annie. So I got the bridesmaid and the matron of honor these really pretty sterling silver heart earrings, stud earrings. I don't know if I'm going to include it in this box or just put it as is. I'm still deciding that. And then for my mom, I got this really pretty bracelet with the charm. Oh my god, right there. So that is super cute, and they all really like Alex and Annie, so that really worked out. So yeah, it's honestly at this point it's just figuring out how to fit everything in there. Oh my god, and I also forgot one more thing. I have the initials so I know whose is who. I even got them these KKW Essential Nudes perfume. So yeah, I'm definitely crunching to figure out how to fit everything in the box. I think that's definitely the challenge. So let me figure that out and I'll bring you guys back. I also wanted to show you guys the cosmetic bags that I have, the makeup bags. I also got these on Etsy. I'll also make sure to link the store that I picked it up from. So right here it says the name, but then inside it also says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" So I just liked it. I know some of them have it on the outside, but I was like, if it just says the name on the outside, they could still use it even if it's not a wedding going on. Same thing with this one. It says, "Will you be my matron of honor?" I really wanted to give them items they could use outside of a wedding as well. And then this one I actually got for my mom off of Amazon. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do this, but she does like stuff like this, so I definitely picked this up for her as well. But for my bridesmaid and matron of honor, I definitely wanted to give them something I know they would use. My mom, she'll use this regardless, but you know, I wanted to make sure they would use these and it wouldn't just go to a waste. So far this is what it's looking like. It may not be the best presentation wise, but it looks good so far. I tried my best to fold these. I think they're looking good. Now I just gotta figure out how to put that stuff in here. Wish me luck. Okay, so definitely not like an aesthetic looking box, But I didn't want to buy it based on aesthetic. I really just wanted to get them items that I thought were really nice, that I would like, and that they would like. And yeah, I know it's pretty full, but you know, I think they'll really like it. So that's what I'm going for here. This is the Flower Girl box. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up, and then I will show you guys the complete before I close this up. But I did want to show you guys these. I made these on Zazzle. Thought they were just cute. I added that on top of the KKW fragrance on both sides. So on this side we have the Bridesmaid, Dear Hazel. And then, so I just kind of did like that. I put the Alexander and left it just like that in there. The palette, lipstick, and then the Benefit product right there. So yeah. All right, you guys. So I'm proud of myself to say that the Flower Girl box, definitely you can see the tissue, the crinkle paper. You definitely can't see that with the rest. But this Flower Girl box is real cute. See, we have her favorite snacks. She really likes those as well, but we're just gonna keep that underneath because the blue doesn't go with the rest of the box. But that Flower Girl box is real cute. The only thing is, that's not all that's in the Flower Girl box. I bought this like elephant teddy bear that says her name, and it says Flower Girl on the date. It looks really good. Mowgli's proud of it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and close these boxes up, and I'm gonna tie them with some tulle, and then they will be ready and presentable to go. And yeah, in like 2 weeks I'm gonna be giving them these boxes. I only had time today to do it, so that's why they're being done today. But let's close them up. So here are how the boxes turned out. In the next clip, I'm going to show you guys where I took them to give them their boxes. I feel it in the air. Mommy, hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Hazel. It for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful if you are on your way of creating your bridal party's proposal boxes. This is definitely a fun time, and the best recommendation I could really give you is planning. Especially if regardless if you have a budget or not, or if you're okay with spending a little bit extra on the boxes, or if you want to keep it a little bit more affordable, the best thing to do is just buy along as the way you go. Like if you know you're gonna give boxes, start looking at deals, like content. If you see something on sale you really would like, go ahead and get it. Look, or even use that Honey plugin online if you're gonna do online shopping. Check for deals, keep it on drop lists. The best thing is just to buy as you go, and don't buy everything all at once, because it definitely does add up. So yeah, that's the best thing I can tell you, is just plan and just buy as you go. Don't save it for last minute, because it does get pretty costly. Even if you're trying to find things on deals, it could still add up if you wait to get everything at the last second or all together. So that is the best thing I can tell you. And yeah, just have fun, enjoy it, don't take it too seriously. And if you're getting a little confused on what you want to do, create mood boards on Pinterest, find some ideas, keep looking here on YouTube, seeing for if there's a certain aesthetic you're looking for, a vibe or style. But at the end of the day, whatever you make or whatever you give them, they will be happy regardless, because I think to them it's more important about being part of your special day than anything else. But all right guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I do post a lot of content on here. Aside from wedding content, I do beauty, lifestyle, crafting, you name it. Also follow me on Instagram at Thehennaali, because I'm always on my Instagram, if not here on YouTube, and I do post a lot more content on there. TikTok as well. So you can find me at Thehennaali on Instagram and TikTok. But alright guys, that is it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.